If you are only running keyword-based PPC campaigns, you are missing out a major opportunity. ASIN targeting and category targeting let you put your ads directly in front of shoppers who are already browsing related products, giving you a huge advantage over competitors. Today, I am walking you through how to set up ASIN targeting and category targeting campaigns step by step, when to use them, and how to optimize them for maximum sales. Let's get started. Before we jump into the setup, let's quickly break down what ASIN targeting campaigns are and how do category targeting work. ASIN targeting lets you place your ads directly on specific competitor product pages, and category targeting, on the other hand, lets you place your ads on a broad category of products based on relevancy and filters like price, brand, and rating. Both strategies are powerful ways to grab customers who are actively shopping for similar products. The best part is you are reaching buyers with purchase intent. Each targeting type has specific use cases where it works best. Use ASIN targeting when you want to target competitor products directly, you have a strong offers, better price, more reviews, or you are adding another value, or you are launching a new product and want to hijack competitor traffic. Use category targeting when you want broader reach without selecting individual competitors, or you are in a new niche and still researching which ASINs performs best, or maybe you want to test different price points, ratings, or brand filters. Alright, now let's set up an ASIN targeting campaign step by step on the Seller Central. For that, let's jump onto my laptop screen, and here let's go to campaign manager. As usual, let's click create campaign, and here choose the sponsored products. Okay, once open, it will be same as we set up the keyword targeting, but let's select the ad group name. For example, this one is product targeting, so let's type product targeting. Here select which product you want your ads to run on, so let's run the ads on first or second one. Okay, and then let's select from here, let's select the manual targeting. Moving forward, here is when you can select the keyword targeting or product targeting. Keyword targeting we already covered, so let's select product targeting. So here you can also read the description, choose specific products, categories, brands, or other product features to target your ads. Now if you want to run the ads in a specific category, let's skip for now. Let's choose the individual products. Okay, now here add all the products you want your ads to run on. Amazon also suggests few of the products based on your product relevancy, so see if any of these are relevant. For example, this first one have 4-star reviews. All reviews are pretty good, 4.5 stars, so I can think of adding it to it. So here expanded means Amazon will target similar ASINs to these, and just if you click on the add or exec, it will target only this ASIN. It will not cover any of the other competitor ASINs. Now let's select this one. I will click add. Let's also select this one because this also have 4-star reviews. Now this one 3.5 star, let's add this one. So now you can run ASIN targeting campaigns on different sort of ASINs. For example, if your aim is to grab the quick sales, you can go with the top sellers, but make sure your offer is better. Maybe your pricing is low, your reviews are better, or you're offering some unique product or something unique selling point in your product. If you are launching a new product, then you can obviously target some ASINs that have 0 reviews or something like this. Or alternatively, you can go into your Amazon category. For example, let's quickly open up a category. Let's go to amazon.com. Let's stick to the same water bottle example. Okay, now let's open up a category. So from here, let's open up camping and hiking hydration flasks. Okay, now these are the products we want to target. Let's quickly see this category. So click on this subcategory last browse node, and you can see all the products here. And then you can select any of these products Or alternatively, you can also target the products that are super relevant to your product and are newly launched, for example new arrival ones. So usually those products have zero reviews, and this is a perfect time if you have good reviews to capture those. Now getting back to the Amazon Seller Central, cool, we have selected these uh, three products. Let's select the fourth one because they do not have stock. So okay, sorry, they do not have any reviews. Let's select this one because they have really low number of reviews and bad reviews, so we can convert these out. Now select a relevant bid. If you want to go aggressively, go towards the upper end of the bid. If you want to stay on the medium side, you can just choose in between these numbers. Okay, now since we have selected the products, let's skip the products for now, a negative product targeting for now. Select the campaign bidding strategy. In this case we normally go with down only 90% of the time. Let's skip any of the placements for now. Set up the campaign name. So I have already a dedicated video that I will link in the description, that you can check how to name your campaigns. Based on those naming conventions, name your campaign. Now select the start date of today. Let's skip the end date. Put a daily budget. Start with a low budget, $30-$40, and then scale from there. Let's select 30 here, and then once you click that launch button, you will be targeting those 5 ASINs with your products and you will be able to grab additional sales. Now let's take a step back and see how we can set up the category targeting campaigns, because there are a few filters that we need to change there. Okay, now here let's go to categories. Here this is our category, like men's casual pants. So you can see we have at this moment, if we add this as a category, we will be targeting around 84,000 products. So that is really a bulk number. Firstly, let's remove these. Okay, now for we will not be targeting all these ASINs, we will refine those numbers. Okay, let's go with the price. Our price is currently $30, so I will want any product that have a price higher than $30, or let's give it a $2 margin, $32. You can also select the brand names, specific brand names to target from here. So you can create multiple campaigns, one for each brand name, whoever are selling your relevant products. Price range maximum, let's select $100 for now. Okay, now review star ratings. You can select specific star ratings. For example, if the ratings of a product is less than yours, from like 0 to 4 stars, then you can target those as well. But since in this campaign we are just targeting the high priced items, we will keep the star ratings as it is. Now again, you can select the shipping. For example, are they doing FBA or FBM? And then you can select run the products accordingly, run the ads accordingly. Now you can see the target, the refined target is 38,000, but here I would like to further refine it. So since we are doing FBA, so this is a plus point, so we can easily grab sales from the customers or sellers doing the FBM. So I will be selecting not prime eligible. So this gives me around 5,000 products to target. So you can refine these numbers based on these 4 to 5 criteria available, and then click on add, and this will add this to your targeting group. Select a bid again. For example, let's go with 0.71. We are good to go with the category targeting as well. Now here you can exclude some brands by searching a brand name. For example, I can exclude this brand name, or if I know that for example Levi's is a top brand name in this niche, so I can simply exclude Levi's out of it. Or what is the brand name for this? So I have to find the exact brand name, but you can simply exclude the really top brands that are selling really good. And then again, keeping the bid at down only, no top of search or rest of search improvements needed here. Select the campaign name. So in the campaign name you can mention all those criteria like price greater than $32, and then shipping not prime eligible and all that stuff. Now Again, once you hit the launch button, your campaign will go live, and with this really 5 to 6 minutes, you have started targeting around 6,000 ASINs on average. So that is how you can set up and optimize ASIN and category targeting campaigns to drive more sales without just relying on keyword ads. Once your campaigns are live, keep a closer look into the targets that perform well and scale those. Also, if some targets do not perform well, cut down spend on those. Here is my challenge for you. Go into your Amazon Ads console, set up 2 ASIN targeting campaigns on top 10 relevant competitors and 1 category targeting campaign with the filter of price greater than your products or reviews lower than yours. Start with a small budget and track your results, and then let me know in the comments how it goes. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell, because next week we are diving into how to create sponsored display ads. Stay focused, keep pushing forward, and I will see you in the next video.